I'm Colt Davis, and I'm in 5th grade. I'm in enrichment, and this year we have a makerspace. 3D printer allows us to create anything out of our wildest dreams. For instance, I've been studying wind turbines and renewable energy. So I made a wind turbine of my own design. I started from 0 up to this. So I have a ball joint and a ball. It pops on, and you're just allowed to turn it. There's blades, which you obviously need, and then you've got the cover. It holds everything in place. Then you've got stand, which attaches to a platform, which allows it to stand. So I've been so happy to have this. It's helped out so much with learning, and I would want it to be here forever. I wish it was here when I started, but I guess 5th grade, everything awesome. Bye.